Yo, what's up everyone, it's your boy Asab, welcoming you all. This is Asab Trading Channel, and today as always I'll be teaching you how to make money through trading, specifically on binary option. The trading strategy I want to show you today is not only suitable for beginners but also for very advanced traders, and it will help you quickly increase your deposit. For greater efficiency of the strategy, you should start with $100 plus, but I'll start with $350 and try to grow the deposit as productively as possible. I want to express my gratitude to the people who trade with me and share their results. They motivate me to create more education content, and my goal is for anyone from anywhere in the world, regardless of their social status, to be able to make money. Before we begin, I want to ask you to leave a comment and like under the video. Link in the description because it is very important to me. Let's go start it. Let's start by opening the forecast like mine, choosing a 1 minute time frame, and today we will trade like that. And of course today we will be assisted by several indicators: alligator, Williams and momentum. Set the settings exactly like mine. So it's just on alligator, period, style. I just use on 3 peaks, and 3 peaks I like more than 1 piece. It is for my eyes very suitable. Okay, just like mine, all setting like mine, guys. Okay, and just look at this. So in front of us is the audio cut currency pair. I'll be entering a lower position and I'll explain everything to you in detail afterward. So guys, the essence of our trading strategy is to use a sequence of signals from the 3 indicators in a row and then enter into a trade for a 3-minute expiration. It will be alligator indicator, it will be a Williams indicator and Asab accelerator indicator. Yeah, of course it's very favorable indicator for me. It's very good. First, we need the lines of the momentum indicator. We look for intersections of the 3 lines after observing the increase and intersection of the 3 lines. At one point we look at the Williams indicator. If the Williams indicator line is directed towards the resistance line, it's a signal to enter upward. If the Williams indicator line is moving towards the support line, it's a signal to enter a downward trade. And the third signal will be candles, the histogram of the accelerator indicator. Accordingly, if the candles are red and located in the lower zone, it's a signal to enter downwards. If the candles are green and lying in the upper plane, it's a signal to enter upwards. Remember, it's simple to learn, but don't forget to check yourself. A clear and consistent approach will give you profit in one trade or another. Don't forget about it. On this chart, the movement is following our sequence perfectly. Just a perfect entry into the trade, and we just waiting for our profit. It's very good, guys. I think that trading strategy will working very cool. I just feel it, guys. I just feel it. So, and we can see that this moving this in our side. Yes, just down. It's very aggressive motion. It's very cool motion. It's very dangerous, but it's nothing for us. It doesn't matter. We just use our strategy, our perfect strategy, I think, and we will increasing our deposit right now, guys. And you just can watch this, that we just will take this profit, guys. Just wait. Okay, guys. Okay. Profit obtained, excellent. The trading strategy is joyful as it should be. Let's move on, friends, and I feel that great movements are waiting for us. Yes. And so in front of us is a year achieved currency pair, just a perfect picture for entering a long position. Let's enter and I'll explain everything in detail and what we see. So We see that the three lines of the alligator indicator have crossed and are moving upwards. Our task now is to see how Williams behaves. And here too we can observe that its line is directed towards the starboard line and also upward. And of course now let's look at the candles of the accelerated histogram. They show green candle shades and are directed to the upper plane, which means that we have met all 3 points value. Now all that remains is to wait for the profit. And we see that the chart is clearly on our side. This is very cool, guys. And so what I wanna say, guys, I say that this trading strategy perfectly works. I like this trading strategy because these three ways. One way it's one indicator, second way it's second indicator, and third way it's third indicator. It's very good because they work together. They very good work together, guys. And we just watch this in this video, and when you watch this video to the end, it will be very good profit, guys. I think, I hope. And what we see that the price on our side, it's a little bit motioning down, but it's nothing, absolutely nothing, because our price and our side, it's very cool. So we're just waiting for our profit, guys. So we are taking our profit. The trading strategy worked simply brilliantly. It's all clear. Let's move on to the find more interesting trades. Very interesting trades. And my deposit, look at these, guys, and $1,000 plus. It's very fantastic, guys. And so we just look at the same picture. So in front of us, I decided to stop here again because there will be a reversal in the next 5-10 minutes. So what do we see? Again, I go down, and again we observe the intersection of the 3 lines of the alligator, and their direction is downwards. It's all clear, guys, just amazing clear. Williams shows us that as lines have moved towards the starboard line and are directed downwards. And if we look at the histogram of the accelerator indicator, here we see a smooth transition from the bottom to the top in the transformation of green candles. Here too we clearly see that all the rules are followed, which means that within our 3 minutes expiration time we will definitely take our profit on this chart. If you're a beginner, you can work with me absolutely free of charge. Subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, where I trade every day and you can follow me step by step and get a good profit. Write to me privately, teach me, and I will share with you all the useful information. Sports are limited. Come join us. And as you can see, everything looks pretty good here overall, and the chart is again on our side, guys. It's cool. Therefore, there is no doubt about the product of our trading strategy. It's just top non-content, guys. So what we see? We see, yes, it's motioning down. I like this motion because it just will give me money. I take this money, I get this money. So it's very motivate me. And what we see that this price is very aggressive and did jump, and it's very not cool, but I know on 100%, guys, that this deal will be catch, and we just watch this. Okay, profit obtained, guys. It's very cool, very cool. So okay, 2,000 on my account, it's good. And so we are returned to our familiar currency pair, which we see a clear intersection of the 3 lines of the alligator indicator, again signaling an upward movement. And of course, guys, Williams is at then it's in the upper plane, which is the second signal to enter. And of course guys, the accelerator histogram indicates that the candles are green and we will now move upward. Everything is absurd, my friends, as you could notice. Therefore, this trade will confidently add to our profit. The only thing is it's a bit risky, as the chart is jumping from side to side, but I believe it's justified, guys. And what we see, our motion on our side and just upward zone, and very cool, very cool, because our three indicators shows us motion together. It's working very cool, I think, but it's nothing that the price just jumping and one side and second side and I don't know. It's just they just can make it. And what we see, guys, so very cool. I think it will be 2 hour motion, because this motion our side, guys. So okay, of course we are taking our profit. Excellent. This chart suits us very well, very well, guys. And this is finished, I think. We use this picture. Okay, in front of us the currency pair Euro GBP. We absolutely understand it. Look at our indicators indicating that the movement will be very bearish. Let's enter into a downward trade and just I will be entering downward trade, guys. Here too is maximally transparent and clear that the 3 lines of the alligator indicator have crossed and are moving downwards. The signal to look at the Williams indicator as line and also directed downwards, indicating a lower position. Additionally, if we look at the accelerator histogram, we have the lower plane plus red candles. Everything points to our victory again. So guys, as you can see, the chart is on our side. A super profit awaits us today. And so very cool aggressive movement, guys. I very like this movement. I love just this movement because I can get some money from this. It's very cool. Today is favorable day for us. Market not hot today, and it is very good. I just can silently just trade, and it will be enough for us. Just look at our indicators, 3 indicators, and they look very great and they work very great. It's very cool, guys. It's very cool. Do you watch this motion, guys? Do you watch this motion? The our side motion, guys. We definitely catch our profit. Just definitely. You look what the price. It's a downward aggressive movement, guys. Okay. It's very cool, excellent. Everything is simply amazing, cool and simple trading strategy, guys. And let's find, so front of us Euro GBP chart. Well, what do we see? Everything looks perfect here again, and I'm entering into a downward trend and will explain everything. So guys, again we observe the intersection of the 3 lines of the alligator and their direction is downwards. It's all clear. Williams shows us that its lines have moved towards the support lines and are directed downwards. And we will look at the histogram of the accelerator indicator. Here we see a smooth transition from the bottom to the top, transforming into green candles. Soon transforming into green candles, I think. And so you can see, guys, that the movement on our side, it's rules the same, guys. Just 3 indicators shows us a downward motion, and we just wait our profit, guys. Okay guys, we catch this motion at very cool, and so we'll go just move on this, and in front of us GF knock ODs currency pair, and we just go downward trend and wait for profit. And look this. Yes, it's not the same situation, cause the first indicator alligator just look and like an upward trend, but it's not right. We just see that the Williams show us a downward movement on his lines, and it's very cool. And Awesome Accelerator shows us a downward motion in the red candles, and we just can see, guys, we can see that the moments it just reversal, guys, it just reversal. I'm just enter a right way, guys, and we look at this, just look at this at six trade, guys. It's very 6 trades. It's very good aggressive motion, and we just look at this, guys, just look at this. All strategy worked perfectly, just amazing. I think that last trade, and we definitely catch our profit, guys. Just look at this, it's brilliantly motion, guys. I like this, I very love this, it's very cool. So we just wait our profit, our last profit, guys, and profit obtained, guys, and it is very crazy, guys, very crazy, I think. And so on my bank account, and you can see 5,700. It is very cool, guys, just amazing and just insane, guys. Well, friend, just a perfectly wonky trading strategy. Take it and practice together. We can earn very big money. And if you are tired of financial literacy, long working hours, and minimum wage, it's time to send all of that way and start making money with me. If you're watching this video, it means you're already on the right path. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description. And until the next time, may everyone profit. Hugs to each one of you, guys.